கலைகளெல்லாம் அருளும் கலாவதி, உம்மை காத்தருள்வாய் அன்னை சரஸ்வதி. அலைகடல் சூழும் இந்த உலகினிலே உனது அருளின்றி செயலேது ஆதாரம் நீ. கலைகளெல்லாம் அருளும் கலாவதி, மறையவன் திருநாள் இருப்பவளே, உன்னை மதிப்பவர்க்கு நான்கும் தருபவளே, குறையற்ற வாழ்வு நீ அருளே, என்றும் குருவினேன் உந்தன் திருவடியே. So I started with கலைகள். ஸோ 64 கலைகள். எங்களுடைய இறைவனுக்கு பேர் யோகேஸ்வரா. இஸ் த பெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் யோகா. ருத்ர பகவான் மாதிரி நிமிர்ந்து இருக்கிறார்களே நாங்கள் காண முடியாது. Still his body is so nice looking, very smart. Our God, he has a long hair, everything, effulgence. Similarly, Krishna, ever young. You haven't seen Krishna with a beard or any wrinkled skin or anything. So what does that mean? So Manivanam Teivamagalam. So how do you do? That's what even our university emblem, there are 64, beams are there. Sudar, 64 Sudar. So on the Sudargalல, okay, in the Udarkalli. So it's a gift. We came with the body to this world. It's a gift. One of the best machine ever created. The physiology professor is here. But we leave the world without the body. So we are losers. We are born losers. So how do you maintain this machine? So I have a car from the university. Every 5,000 meters I have a service there. So how do you service your body? It's done. It's actually done every day and night. People talk about air conditioning. Our body maintains temperature 98.4 Fahrenheit constantly forever. If it doesn't, then you have a problem. So there's a system, best optical system, best neural system, best computing system, best fluid mechanics, best engineering, best structure. Our bones are joined not with the nuts, with the tissues. When you are in the cemetery, when you burn the body, every part falls. With no time, everything falls. So what a design. So this body we have to celebrate our body, our physical existence. How do you celebrate your physical existence? That's what the youngsters, you are devoted for that. You look smarter than most of the people in this part of the world because you invested in your body something others they don't do. You invested. You invested what? You went to playground. So you start doing. Even my dog early morning, it actually wants to get out of the gate. You want to play. It wants to play. Even the cats want to play. Even the cow want to play. But our people are now lost. Busy. Okay, I don't want to preach. So it's sports for all. It's not for somebody. Mathematics for all. It's not few people. It's all world is now quantified. Even diabetes, they say 120. Pressure, they say 140. And then they say the UL 2031 landing. So everything digitized now. So number plays a big role. So mathematics for all, even my phone, everything, even the electromagnetic, this mic, and the whole set is working on that principle. Okay? So now let me come. So what is your role? What is your, now நீங்கள் எடுக்கிற சங்கல்பம் என்ன? இப்போ நீங்கள் 70,000 கொடுத்து இந்த கோர்ஸை படிக்க வாரது ஒரு தொழில் பார்க்குறதுக்கு இல்லை. எல்லாருக்கும் தொழில் உண்டு. தொழில் இல்லாமல் உலகத்தை ஒருவரும் இருக்க இயலாது. Say 200 years ago, what was our job? என்ன ஸ்கூல் நடந்ததா? already university நடந்ததா? University only 50 years old. The Sri Lankan university is only 70 years old. Okay? So when I was in the German Tech one day, I was a technological dean. So the German Tech people invited me. Then I went there. The German Tech is so famous. Germany is so famous for ideas. Even the whole they put the banner. It was saying Germany is a land of idea. Top cars come from Germany. Top medical instruments come from Germany. Top philosophy come from Germany. Top music come from Germany. And top beer come from Germany. You don't know Parandavan, but I know. Right? So it's a land. In Schumacher, top F1 Formula driver came from Germany. Right? Some of the top tennis players come from Germany. Even the top lady now controlling the lady controlling the country come all over the world is known for, she's a German chancellor. So when I went to Germany, German Tech, and I saw there were a lot of studies there, construction technology, food technology, that cloth technology, electro technology, automobile technology, there were a lot of things. Then I was thinking myself, what to do about this? What about this 300 years ago? Then I thought, this Earth planet is a wonderful planet. You know, it has fruits, it has vegetables, it has grains, it has everything. Now we are searching in the other part of the world whether there is a water, there is a oxygen, there is a gas. This land is so blessed. So in this earth, more water than land. In this earth, more water than land. 2/3 of the earth is water, aquatic. And again, in the water, more living entities are there. More living entities in the water. Even சாஸ்திரப்படி 1,86,000 யோனி பேதமுள்ள உயிர்வாளிகள் இருந்தாலும் அதில் 2/3 coming from the aquatic. So more aquatic than terrestrial. So in the aquatic environment, big mammals are there like a whales, shark and big things. You would have seen some films, the Nemo and all this. I don't know how people even miss that. So அங்கே நீங்கள் எல்லா விதமான tiny prawn-ல இருந்து big mammals live there. But there's no schools, there's no university, there's no playground, there's no high court, there's no Supreme Court, right? There's nothing. Nothing. But they live peacefully, they live longer, no hospitals. Right? The natural arrangements are there. So natural, they play. Even since the birth, they swim. They swim. They rest. They swim. They eat what was given to them. Even one day I was with my son in an aquarium in Scotland. Yeah, Scotland or Australia, I don't know. In one aquarium. Then these guys are feeding the fish. Some divers are going inside the aquarium. It's a big one. It's a sea coming inside. It's all glass front setup. So the man diving there and feeding the, big fish. But side by him, there's a big shark like this mouth. Simply he can take him. Whatever the clothes he wear. But it didn't do anything. Then I asked my steward, what's happening? It's so dangerous. What is happening? He said, sir, when one shark is fed, then it won't eat anything for another 72 hours. But we carry mixers in our bag. Even the shark, I don't know, fisheries ladies here, if it eats something for fulfilling its stomach, then it won't eat anything, even you put in the mouth. Even the small fishes are going inside the mouth and coming. It's holding like this. So this is a nature. So a sportsman, I tell you, as a human being, now I come to the human being, he's a human being. All endeavors are to support the human beings. Whether universities, schools, bars and kitchens and automobiles and anything and everything. Lord Krishna said, do anything if it's necessary. I don't buy a car because I don't feel necessary for me. This is my policy. I don't feel it. I am not attacking other people. Right? I don't buy anything unless it's necessary. My master used to say, you just go and see your wardrobe and open it. One day you thought everything was very good, very much needed. I am so desperate to get this. But all I arranged there, never used. Even the wedding video, I never seen it again. I spent money and blocking other people even watching the wedding. We never. So we do so many funny things. But sports is not funny. I am going to make some fun. There is something called first night. First night. Okay, first night. Mudal Ra. Manisanaka Mudal Ra. And they are looking forward to the first night. Okay? For sportsmen, okay, first night comes, then the second night is not there. Why? More or less, same repeated. People are not interested. After some time, everything goes wrong. Right? They just make it like that. And you know this. But sportsmen, every night is the first night. Every game is the first game. That thrill is there. That is the sports is. Even somebody even the convocation time, I saw somebody batting and playing. I was urged to go there rather than stay in this bloody place. It's so driving. People think sex is the best. No, the sports is the best. Because people don't get that unless you taste it, you wouldn't know. So now people are denied. My sons and other friends are denied. They are living like indoor plants. They don't see the light. They don't see the light. They are like indoor plants. I don't know, madam teaching literature. They are reading about Shakespeare, which I don't know anything. Only thing I know, he's a great guy. That's it. Right? So now, the sports, I come to my conclusion. Because I never read these things in my life. I played just because I want to play. My father was chasing me all the time, beating me, but nagging me. My teachers were upset about me, but I kept on playing. Even before the exam, I had a match, A-level. So this was my life. I tell you, as a human beings, so we want to be happy, irrespective of what they do, whether professor or whether a milkman, or someone is operating the amplifiers, everyone want to be happy. That's the ultimate thing. Madam said ultimate thing is discipline. Okay, it's there. Why do you want to be disciplined? Just to be happy. Otherwise you get into trouble. Why do you be disciplined? You want to remove the cat or somebody? So people set the discipline. They exploit also. But actually I can moderate that. The summum bonum of the education, that is the ultimate purpose of the education, is a character formation. It's a character formation. It's a character formation. So you develop your characteristics. Discipline means you, when the dean comes, you stand up, right? After she goes, the military, they exploit this discipline up to some extent. So I come. As a human being, we want to be happy, right? So if you want to be happy, we should understand ourselves first. Then only we should know our needs. So we have a physical existence. That's what I told you. We came with this body. It's a wonderful thing. It has to be celebrated, whether you are black or white, whether you are short or tall, whether you are bald-headed or non-bald-headed. You have to celebrate this. It is the best machine we got. So we have a physical existence. Then we have an intellectual existence. We have the top computer inside of us. Even physiology professor here, so many professors has come, even they don't completely understand this, the emotion, and there are so many. Even after 30 years, when I receive a call from a friend, even the voice recognition, from the voice I can say, that guy is now old, the physical appearance completely gone, but only from the voice I could recognize. Sometimes the smile I could recognize. The lips is such a physical existence is so important. Then the intellectual existence, recognition. So we recognize so many things, concepts. So we have the concept of gravity. We have the concept of light, electromagnetic vibration. We have the concept, so many things. Right? So we have intellectual existence. That's what you are, higher diploma people, now you are making endeavor. You have played games, you know games. Now you want to develop the education. You want to educate what you have done, what you can give to other people. How it should be done perfectly. How you can make it nicer. Don't exert people. So there are a lot of modern theories are coming up regarding sportsmen, sports medicine, sports physiotherapy, how to heal somebody quickly from the games. So how to get best psychology out of the dressing room. So there are so many things, multidisciplinary aspects. That's what you are for. So we have a physical existence, we have an intellectual existence, then we have a social existence. We have a social animal. There are so many people feed us. Early morning up to now, I have obtained the service of many people, even from early morning 4 o'clock up to now. My paperman, my milkman, right? My flower man. There are so many people, my priest, even up to now. So we have a social animal. We are not only receiving end, we have to reciprocate, we have to resonate. So we have to give something back to the society. That's what you are for. Early morning I go to Hindu Ladies College. Every morning. I see the lady here also. That she with the basketball court. She's the first one to come. She's the first one to come and they train the students. Others come late. So we have a social existence. So in the social existence, physical existence, intellectual existence, social existence. So physical education as a degree program. So as a practical side, a skill side, they think about your physical existence and physical existence of the youth. Then they will think about the intellectual existence. How does the education work? There are so many things, Sai, education and all this lady were telling. So there are so many aspects you have to learn for 2 years. Then you have a social existence. The games make you the best entertainers in the world. Are whom? When the Soccer World Cup goes, the whole world vibrates. It's the greatest show on earth, they say. Some donkeys come with a ball, that's it. Some just one ball. Very basic, simple game. There's no big rules, no pad, no bat, no hockey stick, no that basket and this. Just in the playing field. Just a ball. Right? The Messi, Maradona now, my best of Messi. Maradona is now gone. I said goodbye to him. So the best entertainers are sportsmen. So much money invest. So social existence. So many followers. The best Instagram follower is a Virat Kohli. Even Anushka followed him. Now he had a baby, right? So even somebody followed me when I was young. Okay, because you do some sports. Because you are the people, could attract people. So social existence. Then the final one, they were telling about RMM and all that. It's not. It's a universal existence. Even after death, we exist. That's what Lord Krishna said. The first instruction to Arjuna, the first sloka in the Bhagavad Gita. He said to Arjuna, "Hey Arjuna, you are lamenting for something not worth of lamenting. You speak like a learned man. நீ பண்டிதா மாதிரி கதைக்கிற, நீ கவலைப்பட தேவையில்லா ஒன்றுக்காண்டி கவலைப்படுற. உண்மையான பண்டிதன் லேர்னட் செத்தவனுக்காண்டியோ இருக்கிறவனுக்காண்டியோ கவலைப்பட மாட்டான். Neither lament for the dead nor for the living." அப்போ அர்ஜுனன் என்ன நீ சொல்றேன்? Then he said, "Never was a time when I did not exist, no you, no in the kings in the battlefield." நானோ நீயோ இந்த பேட்டில்ஃபீல்டில் நிற்கிற அரசர்களோ இல்லாமல் இருந்தன்னு ஒரு காலம் இருந்தது இல்லை, இனி அப்படி இருக்க போவதும் இல்லை. So universally we exist. Service bring happiness. I tell you one thing. நான் யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் ஓவர் டைம் பே பண்ணுறேன். எத்தனையோ மில்லியன், 45 மில்லியன் ஓவர் டைம், 4-5 மில்லியன் a month. இங்கே ஒரு ஆள் கதவு திறக்க அரை மணிக்கு நின்றாலும் உடனே அடுத்த கிளைம் வரும். ஈவன் எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ் ஆஃபீஸர்ஸ் நின்றாலும் வரும். ஆனால் இந்த ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்மேன் இந்த பிளே கிரவுண்டில் வந்து நிற்கிறாங்க. கணேசக்கனுங்க ஒரு லஞ்ச் பேக்கெட், அது 80 ரூபா பேக்கெட் தான் கொடுக்குறாரு. என்னடா காலமேருந்து பின்னேற மட்டும் நிற்பாங்க. The same sportsmen, the umpires, they stay meet after meet. The whole season, second term. நாங்கள் பள்ளியோட ரக்கி போட்டு அந்த ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் வீட்டை இப்படி பார்த்துட்டு வாழ மதில் ஆள் இருக்கா. அது இந்த அன்பழகில் வைக்கினா இல்லை கொஞ்சம் பார்க்கலாம். எனக்கு தெரியும் மேலே வந்து நிற்கிறீங்களாண்டு. But I'm saying is, you look at the ground. Those who are voluntarily helping, I know you all want to be the judges and juries of the sports game. You serve, and you don't get anything in return. They are doing invariably throughout the life. Those who are not serving, only expanding, horizontally expanding. So service brings happiness. So sports is the best field. Even our Padmana demise recently. So till his last day, he served. So service brings happiness. So in our universal existence, our physical existence, our intellectual existence, our social existence, our universal existence, it is perpetual. இப்போ perpetual ஒரு இன்ஜின் ஓடைக்க பிளக்கும் வேலை செய்யணும், பிஸ்டனும் வேலை செய்யணும், அப்புறம் வீலும் வேலை செய்யணும், எல்லாம் ஒன்று மோட்டார் வேலை செய்யணும், எல்லாத்துக்கும் எல்லாம் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிக்கொண்டு இருக்கு. இட்ஸ் perpetual. Otherwise it won't help. ஒரு சோஷியலில் நல்லா இல்லாட்டி ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்மேன் இருந்தும் பிரயோஜனம் இல்லை, யூஸ்லெஸ். That's what the lady says. ஒருத்தன் யூனிவர்சலி கருணை இல்லாமல் என்ன உள்ள ஆடு மாடு எல்லாம் வெட்டி சாப்பிட்டு போட்டு ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் செய்கிறான்னா அவனால் ஒரு பிரயோஜனம் இல்லை. அவன் நல்ல அனிமலாக தான் இப்போ பெட்டால் உண்டே கோச்சு கடிப்பான் ப்ரோ. அங்கே என்ன தெரியும், சண்டியன் மேரமே ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்மேன் தான். I-20 விளையாடுறாங்க எல்லாம் அவுட் ஆஃப் ஷேப், ஈட்டிங் டூ மச். ஈவன் லுக் கேதிஸ் ஆல்சோ. Okay. Maybe he has to recover. So on the back, is different. Maybe it's a characteristics. I say, இது 4 விஷயம். Physical existence, physical education. Intellectual education coming. Sports, education. Then you are a social animal. You have to integrate with the society. Sports is the best medium. I tell you something. I go to Sydney. In 2016 I went. I couldn't meet any people there. I was on my own. Only my son and my wife. So what I do? I went to the park. I put the football and I was dribbling. Then the kids coming. Some kids start talking to me. They start kicking to me. Then I start playing to them. Then they want to know who I am, the parents. I said I am a mathematician. Then they start coming for my tuition. So I integrated the society with no time. I was the most popular man there. Because my skill, one sports, other one is mathematics. Both are universal. Both are universal. There is no mathematics for Jaffna and for England. Right? Both are universal. Sports is universal. So universal extent, even if you go to other planet, the Indra and Chandra will come and see you, the way you play. I don't know where the Tendulkar goes and back, maybe the Indra and Chandra want to see them. Because universal extent, when you go there, what do you offer? You look for something to eat. I don't know. So this is attitude, is skill. When you have something you can offer. So the physical weekend is so important. I am so glad that Sabha, I don't know anything about him. But when I was in the recent years, in the last decade, went to playground, this guy was playing in the our university in forward. So he could collect the ball and receive in the chest and put it in the front, and he could kick. So I was his fan. That's what I start talking. When you admire somebody, then you really want to be friend of him. So this is the way the games goes. So a lot of relationship you develop. So now this is your responsibility. உங்களுடைய பொறுப்பு இந்த கலையை, இந்த விளையாட்டுன்ற கலை, கண்ணன் ஒரு தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளைன்னு சொல்றாரு. இந்த விளையாட்டு கலையை திருப்பி நீங்கள் எடுத்துக்கொண்டு போகணும் அடுத்த ஜெனரேஷன். ஸோ only when you are young you play. But it's for all. There are so many games are coming up. So many versions are coming up. Swimming and so many yoga and so many things. So I wish you all the best. So the 2 years diploma will give you a boost. அதுக்கு பிறகு நீங்கள் இந்த டிகிரி ப்ரோக்ராம் தொடங்கினா பிறகு லெட்டரில் இன்றைக்களால் வரக்கூடிய ஏற்பாடுகள் இருக்கும். அது செய்யும். So one day you will be a graduate. One day you will have a master's. One day you will have a PhD. So that's what these people went to India and got it. But we should be able to give this in Sri Lanka. Anyway, thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much.